Hi guys, let's go for the second session from 31 to 1000. Okay, so today's we're gonna try to finish this session at 75 bucks. Okay, so we're gonna use the same strategy, 10 seconds. So we're gonna look for some pairs, and let's see if this session is gonna be better than the last one. So hopefully it will be a lot better and not smooth, so we can get in and out. But anything can happen. Trade is risky. That's why some people trade, some people don't like to trade because they don't like to risk their funds. But my idea is no risk, no reward, right? So if you don't risk it, you will never win. But if you risk, you will try, you test and try, test and try. Eventually, you will win. It's like trial and error. Okay, this chart is messy. Otherwise, I would go with it. Auto God. Okay, this one might be God's UD card. That's the one. Yeah, that's the one. UD card. Cards, AD card. Okay, this might be a dummy. So you can see that the momentum is getting weak. It's getting weak, but hasn't reached the 50 SMA. Sometimes it does not reach. Okay, I was expecting to at least come to this line right here, but seems like it's gonna go down. We're gonna wait for the next candle and see how it looks like. If it looks red, we potentially gonna place a trade here. Let's see. We don't have much momentum here, but we decided to enter anyway. Let's see what happens. It's slowly going down, which is good to see. And we got the first trade, so 52 bucks. So we already got the candle that we wanted. That's the candle that we tried to catch. So usually we get a shift in the momentum, and then we have this first candle. So the next candle might not be as bullish, as bearish as this one, but that's it. Okay, this one is on the uptrend, so we might this one right here, we might catch it. We might catch it on the uptrend if it continues to go up, of course. So I could say something like this. So this is an area of interest right there. So we can draw the lines here too. You can see that previously it consolidated a little bit here. That was the top eventually. At some point, that was the resistance point. Consolidating now. So let's see if he's gonna consolidate over here and break to the upside or to the downside. Again, it might take a while to see the breakout, or maybe not. It's breaking below, it's peaking below. So let's see if this is going to be a continuation to the downside or just peaking out and then from there goes up. Okay, yeah. Seems like it's going to go down. So let's wait for the next candle and see what it looks like. It's green. Yeah, it's going to go down. Doji candle. Okay. I didn't place the trade because it was a doji candle. A doji candle, that's a sign that the momentum is shifting. That's why I didn't place the trade. But I still believe that it's going to continue to go down. We're going to wait for the next candle. We're in. Mm-hmm. We're in there. We lost that one. 3 seconds. We got the third one. Okay, 55. So this one is in two minds. So he's not quite sure that it's going to go down. Okay, it's going down now. But anyway, this one is not what we're supposed to do. So we were waiting, we are hoping to see a continuation to the upside, and this is going down. That's why it gets tricky. So we're gonna leave it alone. Let it do what it's supposed to do. But luckily, we got a hit on the third trade. Okay, this one is consolidating. Uh, oh, that's the candle. That's the candle. Oh, maybe we're not too late at all. Okay, it's pumping up. This is the candle. That's the candle that we, because the candles have been weak. Momentum has been weak, but now it's shifting. So it's pumping good. So let's see. We got a consolidation zone here. So it might not go as much. We got a consolidation area here. So as you can see, it came over here to this area and got rejected. So we might not go as high as we think. So this might be a tricky one, so I might just leave it alone. Let's look for the next opportunity. Okay, this is not a really strong trend. Looking for a strong trend. Okay, it's actually pumping up. It's inside that zone. Excuse me. Hmm. Okay, this one is on downtrend. THP, 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 THP. Okay. This one is on a downtrend, as you can see. We're waiting to see if this is gonna just hit the 50 SMA and go back down. There you go. Seems like it's gonna be the next candle. I thought so. This one, we're looking for a doji candle that's gonna show us a reverse in the trend. This might be the push. This might be a doji candle. Well, maybe not. But next one might be the good candle to enter. It depends on how the candle looks like. Mm, Yeah, we're going in with this. Another one there. So we got two trades in. We got the first one. We might get the second one. Yeah, cool. So 59. So yeah, we got the candle. So like I said to you, um, if it's not the first red candle, it's the second red candle. And that's it. We got it right there. Because the third red candle usually doesn't go as hard as the other one. Oh, that was only 80%. Didn't realize that. Was it 80%? Oh, we got 92. But yeah, good thing that we just finished because the price just dropped. The percentage, the payout dropped. So we got two trades there. Okay, ETH. So ETH is on a downtrend, but you got too many wicks. So I'm just gonna leave it alone because he has too many wicks. So just 16 bucks away. Dogecoin looks good, but the payout is 81%. Payout is 81%, and over here it's the same scenario. Just wait to see what happens. It's pumping up, but if it's gonna respect the trends, most likely we're gonna have a doji candle and then a red candle, similar to this one right here, actually. So this one looks very thin. So this is a doji candle. So next one might be a red candle. Might be a nice dump, but it's 81%, so I'm not going in. Just showing you the purpose of this video. So as you could see, the momentum has shifted, and because the trend is down, so most likely it's gonna have a continuation to the downside. We might have a very bearish candle like this one. Okay, so the next one might be the candle to enter. So let's see what happens. Is it gonna push down? Nope, it's not pushing down. But anyway, we're not gonna trade this one because of the payout. But you get the idea, right? Yeah. For example, this one right here. The trend is not really clear, right? Sometimes it's up, sometimes it's down, so it's not really clear. So even though it came to the 50 SMA, we didn't have a break in the momentum, right? So we didn't have a short doji candle. So right now, we're just looking for a next opportunity. This is 80%. Yeah, not much is happening. Sometimes it's just a waiting game. You just gotta wait. Did you do this? Yeah, this is the one that we thought that it would go up, but no. Yeah, not much is happening. This one might be a good one. Next one might be a green one, but the trend is not that strong. Okay, this one we are on the uptrend. Is coming to the 50 SMA. So let's see what happens. Which one is this one? CJ, CHF, USD. USD. Okay. Right. So we hit the 50 SMA, but we can see lots of consolidation around this area. So it can be a tricky trade, but we are on the uptrend. So that's a good sign. So let's see how this one is going to turn out. And if it's just a pullback, but this is a very steep dump. Okay. So if he's going to recover, it's going to be a very steep pump. So not much here. So that's not a sign that it's going to go up. Because we came down very fast, that's not a good sign, right? But let's see. Very weak momentum, so it might consolidate a little bit on this one. So it might not be the best one to trade right now. This one, USD COP, is in this zone right here. Is this going to go down? Okay, slowly going up. Yeah, momentum is very weak. 15 minutes in. Okay, USD, VND. VND, VND. Okay. All right. Well, yeah, this is a tricky one because we were in an uptrend. We had a dump, break below, and now we come to retest the 50 SMA. So it might be a tricky one. And you can see right here the candles are very, very weak. So I was about to say, okay, let's go down, but maybe it's going to be a rushed one. So I'm just gonna not touch it. Let's check the cryptos. Polkadot. Ethereum eventually dumped, but I wasn't too confident about it. This one seems like it's gonna dump, but the momentum is very, very weak. This one is changing trends, so I wouldn't go with it because it might face a lot of consolidation. Okay, Facebook, we are sort of an uptrend. So if Facebook is doing a pullback and then continues to go up, then we might catch this ride. Okay, this is a green one. So let's see how this one's going to close. It might be a green dodgy candle, or maybe not. Keeps on pushing down. We can say, the price wants to go up, but is taking its time. Okay, right there. So yeah, from here, most likely it's going to have a continuation to the upside. As you can see, coincides. So it's doing higher lows. So we potentially lost the candle, but it's either the first or second candle. Okay, this is a nice pump. We might get it. Cool. So 60 bucks. So yeah, right there. So he's doing higher highs, but he failed to do a higher. So he's doing higher lows, but he failed to do a higher high. Slightly higher than this one, but nothing major. So it might consolidate before have a breakout. But yeah, we just made a trade. So like I always say, it's either the first candle or the second candle. Even though we won on the first candle, on the second candle, um, it ended up being red. So 17 minutes, I might just go for a few more trades if something comes up. Okay, we are in the uptrend, CD group. So it seems like it's consolidating a little bit here. It's testing the, so let's go CD group right here. CD group. Let's see what happens. We've been consolidating for a while, so who knows what's gonna happen. I'm not very confident on this chart. Let's go back. Okay. This one might be a good one. Is this one? AD. Yeah, that's it. AD. Let's see if this one has a reversal and continues to go up. We got a very weak candle here. We can see that the momentum is getting weak. So it's getting ready to shift. So potentially next candle is going to be the candle to enter to go up. Let's press enter. Another one. Is it pushing up? Okay, we won the last second and we lost that one the last second. God damn it. Bad luck. So that one, this one we won last second, 7 points. This one we lost last second. But yeah, so we go to the third chart. Seems like this one is not going to have a continuation to the upside. It's not what we expected, so we leave it alone. At the same time, I'm going to leave the charts here. We're going to monitor just in case it changes. Okay, this one, Hero Chef, CHF, Hero CHF. Okay, this might be it. This might be the candle to go up because this is the second candle. Feel like I'm a bit late. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, it's already pumped. Already pumped. So next one might be a red candle. Yeah. I hesitated there. I hesitated there. That would be a nice win. See, I hesitated. Anyway, let's look for the next one. I hesitated on that one. Okay. Um, this one right here. So you're expecting this one to go up, to have a continuation to the upside because we're on the uptrend. We had a dodgy candle here, but this one is not green. So that potentially it's a sign that the trend is going to continue to go down, or the price is going to continue to go down. So let's see. Looks like this is going to be a bullish one. If not, this one is going to be the next one. We're going to get ready. We're going to chart. We're going to go for the chart number 3. Okay. Mm, it has to close green. Okay, green. We're in. Whew. We're in on the. Whoa. We're in on the fourth chart. Doo-doo-doo. Okay, we got the fourth charts, and yeah, it's cranking up. Let's see if we can. Yeah, let's see if we can catch another one. Seems like it's gonna consolidate a little bit. So 66 bucks. We just $9 away. Oh, this not is not gonna break out to the upside. Seems like we got lucky. Yeah, seems like we got lucky. Yeah, this one is gonna have a continuation to the downside. So Luna is not a very clear trend. Stocks. Well, actually, still in two minds here. Yes, because of this previous consolidation. So if we do this, you can see previously this was an area where the price consolidated a lot. So that's why it's reacting. So it's not all lost. So we're potentially going to have a continuation to the upside. but we are trading below the 50 SMA, so it can be a risky trade. Ooh, we're dumping. So 25 minutes, I think I'm gonna call it a day because not much is happening. We just gotta be patient. So this one right here, yeah, it's consolidating. So we might have a continuation to the upside, but in the meantime, it might take a while. It might take a while for us to see that. You can see that previously this was an area of interest. So we found support there. So it seems like it's gonna crank up and eventually continue its journey up. But the price is in two minds still. I'm gonna keep an eye on that one. I'm gonna go for one last round. If I don't find anything else, I'm just okay. This card, CH Chef. I'm not very confident on this one, but let's see. Card CH Chef. Because the trend is not really clear. It's going slightly down, but lots of ups and downs. So I'm gonna go for the last round. If I don't find anything, I'm just gonna call it a day with these profits that I've made. I would like to get to 75, but all depends on the market. We cannot force it. You know? Okay, this one's still here playing around. So most likely it's not gonna have a continuation to the upside with the looks of it, but it might take a while for us to see that. And in the meantime, we got not much going on. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna call it a day. I think we started with 51, I think. 51, 52, I don't know. Okay, this one is cranking up to the upside. All right, one last check on stocks. If nothing is there, we will then call it a day. The trend is not really clear. It's up and down. So this can be a tricky trade. This one, we are up, down. Again, candles are very small, as you can see right here. So it can be a very risky trade. We missed the opportunity right there. So either the first or the second candle. Okay, guys, not much is happening. So we might take a while for us to see. Okay, Netflix is 86%. It's up and down, up and down, up and down. Yeah, not much is happening right now. So what I'm gonna do is just call it a day. take the profits that I made. Unfortunately, I didn't reach the 75 bucks that I wanted to, but we made some profits. We got to 66 bucks. I think it was 55. I think we started with 55. I don't know, but we made profits in the end. That's what really matters. And I don't see anything else right now to trade. So I've got stuff to do. So I'm going to leave it alone. Tomorrow I'll come back for more. Continue this journey from 31 bucks to 1,000. I might just compound the gains. We'll see. Let's get to the first 100 bucks. And then once we're there, we will see what to do. So yeah, not much is happening. So I'm gonna call it a day for today. And I'll be back tomorrow for more trading videos. So stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.